Hi, let me show you how to use the virtual wallet on Valucop global account. So after you signed up on our account and you've logged into your account, here's how to use the funds in your wallet to buy a course on our website. Now the point of the virtual wallet is you can use the virtual wallet to let's say you don't have physical cash, you can refer people, but that's a different, I'll explain that later. But let's say you already have some virtual funds in your wallet, how to use it to buy a course. So first of all, this is your wallet, and let's just assume this is your wallet. You've logged in, you saw your account. Under your account you saw you saw your virtual wallet. So these are the courses under your account. So what do? Now if you click on that wallet, now it's time to use the funds. There are some funds in this wallet right now. There's some funds in the wallet now. So what you do is you go to the course you want to buy. Now this is the course you want to buy. Exactly the amount that is needed to buy this course is in this course. So you go to take this course. It takes you to add to cart. Oh, okay. I've already added this to cart before. So you go to proceed to checkout, and then when you scroll down, you see different options of payment. Then you see the wallet. The balance is 15,000, enough to buy the course. So let's do the information here. Let me just fill random information for just fill random information. So now I'll just simply go to the wallet and I click place order. I've selected the wallet as my option, right? And then I'm placing order now with the wallet as my option because my wallet is funded with the account. So the point here is to choose the option of payment, and the option of payment in this place now is then see I've purchased the course. I've paid for the course. So now let's okay. Now let's go back. Let's now see. Now there's no longer funds in the account. There's no longer funds in the account. So I've logged in again back. Then I'll go to my dashboard. Now I've paid the course I paid for. It's already under the account. So click on expand and then you start taking the courses. So I'll start taking the courses. So it's that simple. So I'll start with module 1, module 1, and then I'll start taking the course. So So that's how to use the Terawallet. That's how to use the Terawallet and pay for your course. I hope that was explanatory enough.